Hello everyone, my name is Quang Bảo. Today I talk about Bus and Friends Story, episode 4050. The windy day. Windy day. Let's go. The next day was windy.
Nhưng mà bây giờ không biết làm sao nữa, bây giờ tôi đành chấp nhận sống chung với lũ thôi, mới không làm được. Bây giờ tái là về cũng cái này cũng như ba đứa thì nó bị.
The wind was strong. Yay! Sad me. I will fly my kite today. Big ran with the kite. The kite went up, up, up. The kite flew in the sky. The pull, the string. The kite turned. The pull, the string again. The kite did a big loop. This is so much fun, said Big. I will fly my kite all day. Wow, that's bad. Look out for a tree, said Cow. The pole, the string again. The cat did another loop. You are very good at that, said Big Cat. Thank you, said Big. The pole, the string again. The cat swooped down. The cat swooped down. The cat crashed into the tree. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye and happy.